Hi, this is Aurangzeb Khan. Today, the topic on which we will discuss in detail, the contents I've chosen to make the video is regarding importance of people management. Why people management is so important in today's globalized economy? Because the people are the source of competitive advantage in this globalized economy. Like if you have a chain of hotels worldwide in different cities of the world, people expect same kind of service in all of your branches, whether it's in London, whether it's in America, whether it's in Africa, whether it's in Asia. And people don't care if they go to your hotel, either it's the you are the first customer or the 500th customer. They they want to have same kind of treatment, the same kind of service as you are the first, give to the first customer. So people management is very important in this globalized economy. People are the source of competitive advantage. And why people management is important? Because you can rely on the people, you can coach them, you can train them so that they can bring the best in themselves. For that, for bringing the best in the people, you have to train them properly, you have to coach them properly, you have to delegate the assignments to them properly. For this purpose, the people should have proper tools so that they can avail what are the expectations of their manager or their management. So, like if you say, what is the importance of delegating tasks, then what is the importance of delegating tasks to your team? Delegation is very important if done with proper manner, if done with uh, properly, it bring good results from the team. Because as a manager, you can't deliver all the tasks, you can't do the micromanagement, you don't have enough time, you have to manage multiple kind of assignments, you have to manage multiple tasks. So alone, if you want to deliver all the tasks, all the assignments, you cannot deliver all the assignments as a whole by going them yourself to all the tasks, getting tasks done, and then you utilize your energy, your time. You don't have time for the other activities which have to be prioritized. So delegation is very important in managerial skills if done properly. So, what are the benefits of delegation? Other benefits, like if you done the delegation properly to your team, if you have like kind of sets of five different tasks, you divide those tasks according to the priority to your different team members. Then they bring the results. It utilize it saves your time, it saves your energy, and it utilizes your team effectively. So what's your purpose? What you can do? So what you can do is you can think some innovation, you can think, you can utilize your time innovatively, you can think innovative kind of works, you can think of creating opportunities for your team, you can think of doing other kind of methods for doing any task. So you by doing a proper delegation to your team, you can what you can do, you can utilize your time in some other tasks. so which are productive, which bring profitability to the organization, and which bring personal growth to you which bring benefits to the organization, and which utilize your time effectively, uh, and meanwhile completing the task, all the tasks timely. So delegation is very important, and but the thing is important, it should be done properly, it should be done keeping in view your team strengths, their weaknesses, and everything. And if delegation, not every task have to be delegated. Few tasks, according to dependability of the their priority, their importance, you have to do it yourself. So all tasks should not be delegated, and all tasks not should be done by you as a manager. So the role of the importance of the manager is the one of the main thing that we discussed today is to delegate the tasks, delegate the assignments, delegate the activities to your team properly, so that all are utilized and you can effectively utilize your energies, your time, your efficiency to the other tasks that can bring the good results to the organization. So thank you very much.